Can you hear me?
Hello?
Oh, good. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good. So far, it looks like just you and me, Mr. Rogerson.
Can you say that again? It's really light.
Okay. So far, it looks like it's just you and me.
Okay.
This is logged on. Is that better?
Yeah, a little
Okay.
bit. Just, I think my phone's just speaker on it's not very good or something.
Well, I'm mobile, so I'm in my car. So
I can hear you pretty good. I just have some background noise here but I'm pretty good as long as I can.
okay.
Yeah.
This should be pretty quick as soon as everybody's logged on.
Okay.
You're the only case, so.
Okay.
I talked to Bethany yesterday, so I know Nathan's supposed to be logging in. I guess it's early. I thought it was later than it was. Sorry.
After yeah, we're probably just a couple minutes early.
I just wanted to make sure I could get everything up and running. This is the first time I've done this mobile, so should be interesting. We are streaming on live on YouTube, just to remind you.
Okay.
This is a public hearing still. Okay.
I might have to move my phone closer to me sometimes to hear, so.
That's okay. Whatever you need to do. Okay, there's Chris and Nathan.
Okay.
So I think this is everybody. I want to start by apologizing. I am appearing mobile from my car. So
I thought the court had a new office, Lisa. That's fine.
it kind of does. So we can start whenever you guys want to.
All right, well, we'll call City versus Rogerson. Mr. Needham, I think we're just on for review today, are we not?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And Madam Clerk, where are we at with treatment reports? I think we've lost our clerk.
It does appear that way.
Are we current with treatment reports, Mr. Needham?
Your Honor, to the best of my knowledge, I believe we are actually touch base today with Sarah Workala, who is the treatment provider for Mr. Rogerson, who advises that he's, attending his weekly sessions. He's very thoughtful in those, doing very well, and trying to make a positive change in his life. So certainly if the court is missing something, we'll make sure that you get that. But from Ms. Workala's perspective, it looks like everything's been sent.
Okay, well, I'll take a look at the court file to confirm, but I'm hopeful everyone's in compliance here. What do you think about setting out a 2-month review?
I'm okay with that. Mr. Rogerson, are you available in a couple of months?
Yes. Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. Once we're off the phone, I will shoot our clerk an email advising her that this matter will be set over for review 2 months from now and just ask her to issue a notice of hearing.
Okay. Your Honor, I will advise the court that in the middle of June, which is probably about the time we're going to set this, I'll be in Wisconsin for my brother's wedding. So,
Okay. And I know the week of June, I think it's June 7th is the lower court judges conference too. So,
okay. So we'll work with the court administrator or court clerk and figure out what date works best for everyone. And hopefully, Mr. Rogerson, you can be a little flexible as well, and we'll find a date. Certainly, if we're still doing them by Zoom, I can phone in with a background from Wisconsin, probably Green Bay, and I'll try not to put any Green Bay stuff in the background.
hey, you'll warm my heart if you do that. You're talking to a Packers fan.
You and my brother would get along great.
All right.
Great.
Well, like I said, I'm going to jump on the computer machine and shoot her an email about this hearing, and we'll go from there.
Thank you very much, Judge. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Mr. Rogerson.